Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. All right. This won't be a long of a stream, but shoot, might as well. Might as well while I have the time. Since I have a whole weekend off, this should be fine to do. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get straight to it, I guess. I'm not sure if people are gonna join, but we're gonna see because we're cooking up something new today. So, yeah. Okay, I guess we could start off with something I've been making a little bit of. So, we have gotten, whatchamacallit, we have gotten to where we have a new feature request, pretty much. So, at this point, we're just trying to see like something that we can make up with. So, let's see. Mm, mm. So this is a new idea that we've had. I think if I get like, if I can get this thing to work. Yeah. All right. Okay. This is a bit straight off. Let me fix it real quick. All right. Let's see. So what we have here today is a new idea. A new idea. So we've got a note from one of our testers that they are trying to suggest a feature for for geotagging on Lapse. So pretty self-explanatory if I'm being honest. Um, there's been a little bit of a there's been a little bit of a here and there uh, contact. So what we've been trying to do is make it to where it's convenient for everybody. Um, let's see. So this is just an idea that I had that I made the other day. So it's pretty much just duplicating back to the new export uh, thing that we had. Oh yeah, that one too. So somebody recommended to add geotagging or specifically metadata on when you export your snaps because here, pause. All right, we're back. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's, huh? Somebody's watching. I wonder who. I wonder who. I'm just trying to see. I'm just trying to see who is watching because I can't see anything. Let's refresh it, I guess. Yeah, somebody's viewing it, but I'm not sure. 2 views. Okay. Either way, we'll get back to it. So, let's see. So, continuing on, we pretty much had an idea for snap location. So, pretty much, I just made the UI change off a little bit more differently. So, you would pretty much have the same. So, this is not a screenshot, by the way. So, this is actually like, if I could click onto it, but you can pretty much get the idea. So, you could actually click onto these. I think I just grabbed this from somewhere, but pretty much it was pretty self-explanatory. So all of this was yeah, you see, all this was remade. Well, the thing is really cool of how simple the app really is, because it makes it a whole lot easier on, like, you know, Instagram and stuff like that. But including from that, pretty much it's just giving custom, like, for it to be customizable. So you would have, like, when you would share a snap, for example, you would have a little tag, like a little tag feature right here on the bottom, and from there you would, I guess, press it, and then it'll give you a little pop-up pretty much showing like all the different options you have. This is actually originally inspired by B Reels concept, because I looked through their app and it actually shows it's really similar. If you really ask me, it's really similar. So this is just I just need an idea for how to make it look. But on one hand, this is just, it's simple but effective. You pretty much have location on, which is default for both, and then off. Oops. All right. Location on, so that would include for when you tag your friends, it would show the location when their friends would see it, so friends of friends. Then you have location on, which would only be like, oh wait, no, never mind. I changed it from the last one. Oops. This was changed. This is actually the second version. I don't know if I have the first one, but the first version where it would show like friends of friends, and then it would just be friends, and then etc. etc. But this one where it just includes, we had to make a little adjustments to it because privacy is a big thing at the moment. But continue from that, we remade it, or at least I did, where it could include your precise location. So I guess to like the exact spot of where you at, and then you would have like location for only your general location. So that could mean like, you know, the state and the city you're in, pretty much. And then you would have, you know, your normal location off, which if you don't want to tag any location on it, and then you have a little bit more options, which is only one, which is this. So it will include the photo metadata. So if you ever wanted to look back, for example, like where you took the photo, stuff like that, metadata actually holds a lot of info. But you could pretty much just enable it. So you could have location off, but just include the photo metadata, and then it's just pretty much just customizable from the. It's pretty much customizable from the settings in app, as this is only for iOS at the moment. But this is how it will look like if you were to export it, per chance. So you could like export. This was originally a video, because now we have videos on the platform now. But I just took it off just to try and replicate it. And you pretty much include the location on it, so you would have it highlighted and etc. etc. You pretty much just click it, and then once you export it, you could just when you would export it into your Photos app, you would just swipe down, and then it would show all the info, pretty much what you need. So that's pretty much the idea I had. Then going on so forth. So let's see. So yeah. All right. We continue on. Let's see. So this was another version of a person that asked to make a little menu for um, export settings. So pretty much the way it will work is these are actually two screenshots right here, and this is the one that I made. Yeah, you see, like, before that we actually had it to where they want to add like film roll sound to like videos, which I think was pretty cool. But continuing from that is we added a new, or at least I did, just added a new icon as a save button, and then from there it would just pop up, have the same pop up say save export settings. So pretty much people who export on an occasion, I think this is gonna be really helpful for it. Um, you pretty much do as what you have. So you would press like 1916, and then you have like logo, and then you have like time or roll sound or whatever, and then you just pop up this little save, and then it would just be save and then refresh settings, which refresh would pretty much just just redo the settings, and it's like if you were to restart again, so it's gonna get rid of those settings that you had originally, and then yeah, pretty much it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty much. So um yeah, I mean, not much, but at least it's something. Actually, I could rename this to location options. This mic is probably hecka sensitive, but there we go. Yeah, and then we would have save exports settings, I think. Yeah, there we go. From there on, it was just pretty much just taking a bunch of mock-ups, because I was thinking to make something like 3D, because I just installed Blender the other day, but that didn't work, quote unquote, at the moment. This I'm just looking back to these. It's actually pretty nice to look through, but yeah, I may have overcomplicated it just a little bit. This was just an idea that I had from before, where you could have extended BFF features. But pretty much you would have more features with friends, because right now what you have is just what you have now would be, I think it's just a frame for instance. You could have your own like custom frame with friends. I decided to give off like a little, extra for it, because you would be able to like pretty much do everything that you'll be able to do here. I actually have an animation for that actually. So if we go to, yeah, there we go. Pretty much, I think I had it here somewhere. I had it somewhere. I had it somewhere. There we go. It's this one. Let's see. So you wouldn't. I think some emojis wouldn't work, because you have some like blanked out. Yeah, like these are blanked out. But pretty much, this is like what a feel would be for if you were to enter that button. For example, if you would like press this, but I think it's just like a bit too I think it's a bit too over. I don't think it has to be that much. So continuing from that, it was just like very small stuff I created back then, just to give off like an idea. I think it was a bit too over, but that's, I feel like somebody was here, but just dipped later on. But either way, I could probably recreate this into like something more neater, nicer, but I think it's still in a work in progress. So yeah. Let's see what else. Oh, this. So this is what I thought of one day when you would go on. So right now when you would export a snap, you could share that to you could share it to Instagram, but I think they pretty much got it. Oh, sweet. Uh, I'm trying to figure out where it was, but pretty much you could send stuff from Instagram, which is I think it's pretty neat now. It's more simpler than whatever this is. So yeah, I think this is just a that's just a photo. Never mind. Yeah. Let's see. I guess we just name it Insta. I don't really know what else to name it, but let's see. And then we have. Oh, this is. What did I have here before? I don't think there's anything here. Yeah, there's something here. I think we could just delete this. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, no. Group chats. Yeah, no. I don't think that was a thing. I was something I had back then, but oh well. Alright, I don't think I made anything on this, but we could just. Bink. Move. Done. Alright. What we have here now is. Ooh. So. Pretty much what we have. I wouldn't say an issue, but it's something that's already occurring a bit too often now. But pretty much is. A lot of people are begging for vibes, which are pretty much this. So if I could show you guys, it's pretty much. I think it's this. So it's pretty much this. So you have this little number right here. Pretty much, if people like the positivity that you're doing for the platform, then you could pretty much just give a vibe. So you can only give one per person, and then you have only 2 per day you could give. But for Valentine's, I actually had it where you could give unlimited. Well, quote unquote limited, because after that it just after that you couldn't give much, but that's fine. But pretty much what we had is right now is we had a lot of people asking for vibes, and they're actually figuring out like bypasses for it, which it's kind of unfortunate for a platform like this because vibes are considered like it's only considered at least for me it's something like it actually means something because you would tend to give it to a person because you like their energy pretty much. But a platform will never be perfect, so it's tend to realize that. But what I had an idea for, at least this was like created like I don't know like months ago, but pretty much I just made a comparison with everything that I had, and pretty much when a new user would join the platform, before they could comment, you would have a little pop-up saying, hey, you should probably read the rules before you could comment. And pretty much you won't be able to comment at all. Like it will be disabled until you read the rules, and then you would agree to it. But at the same time, it's still it's still a work in a work is my English. It's still a work in progress. And there's definitely better ways to make it where people could follow the rules, like this person for example. You see how you pretty much just beg for vibes, and it's kind of annoying. Like my notifications to get filled up like crazy because of that. So yeah, it's a work in progress, and I'm definitely gonna make like a concept for it. Probably re-bring this back up. Um, Pop up. Pretty much take something like this back. So I'm thinking to remake something like this. Take this and make it into like this little pop-up right here, which I could actually do right now because it's pretty easy to do. Pretty much just take this in, bink, bunk, and then we would would just make the corners a bit more better. I think, can I probably just, yeah, there we go. And then we make this black, but also turn down the opacity just a little bit to give it like, you're still on the menu, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense, but I need to see, this is, I'm trying to just get this, so, new pop-up, gradients, something like this, pretty much. Oh. Never mind, okay. Which I could just really just copy this and put it into here. I think I might just do, there we go. I did not need the bezel. Did not need that whatsoever. Where is, so I think I'll pretty much just group this, but also just hide the bezel at that point because really we don't need it. It's more just a rules thing, so we can just change. And then we could probably just have something like, we gotta see, because I have emojis because I really like how aesthetic the emojis look for the platform. Now where are the emojis at? Because I need them. Where did that? Oh, there we go. Oops. Let's see. Is there anybody on? Nope. Okay. All right. Where in the world? Oh, it's like loading up. Animals in nature. Activity, travel places, objects. I think we probably need something. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Is there a scroll, perchance? Something like this. There we go. Oh, perfect. See? Makes a whole lot better. Allow. Just size this down just a little bit. I'm not sure if I can even. There we go. Okay, now we just group these both together. Maybe let's ungroup these, but also just fix the rules because respectfully. There we go. I want to make this look nice as possible. Then we just group these both together, center it up. There we go. Okay, so we could actually make this a bit more. Okay. Okay, well, I need to pop up just that. I need to, there we go. Amazing. I love using Figma. It's literally like the best thing ever. We could just bring it up here and then, can I make this to where it's just like, maybe make it a bit more, is that? Maybe we can make the color a bit more darker. Just so it has an effect, but at the same time, you know, having the. Okay, we could get rid of these boxes. I actually gotta figure out how to. That's gonna be a good thing to do. Actually, try and figure out because is this? I think it just there. Look, perfect. I love using Figma. Literally the best thing in the world. But you also gotta figure out how you could gradient. Okay. Oh, that's no. That's I need the pop up. What am I doing? Is that gonna? Oh, it's perfect. Yeah. So at least it gives it like that little curve to it, which I think is gonna make it look really, really nice. I also gotta figure out how to make this look. Man, I need to grab a concept from an app. Because just to give me an idea, because I know I've seen, I think I could grab actually the one from Lapse. I think I took screenshots of it. Screenshots. Because I know every time that Lapse would have something like new, or just something like I would never see on an occasion. Okay. Oh, okay. I figured out what I can do for the gradient. Why is that so weird? There we go. Okay, I did not. Okay. I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. So we could actually grab the gradient to make it a bit more lower, but also to give it like a orange, like a yellowish color. Okay, I think that might be a bit too orange. Something to make it like more golden, you know? Something to give it like, because it's like brighter at the bottom. And usually, can I like bring this down just a little bit? Okay. I need to give it like a golden color, sort of, in some way, because that's what usually makes it look really, really nice. I guess we're gonna see it from there. To be honest, I really want to just make a concept just to make it give off a look to it, because realistically, it's still gonna be a work in progress. So. Okay. I think we can make this look neater in some. It looks kind of better when it's in the middle. Unless it's just me. Okay. Respectfully, we're gonna use ChatGPT for a good second because. Okay. There we go. I just got a keyboard the other day, so. See, just to give off something, you know, something simple. And I could respectfully just, if I could read the rules, where's the little pop-up? Where's the pop-up? Where's the pop-up? Where's the pop-up? What? Wait, what? Where did my thingamabob go? Unless, oh. Oops. No, I needed a, can I duplicate? Wait. Can I duplicate this, please? Why can I not? Huh? I can't duplicate it? Interesting. Alright, so I guess we can figure out something. I need just to make like a rule layout, but at the same time, like, okay, I think I might need to. Oops. Oopsies. We could probably just move this up right over here. Think. Just have medium, and then we can just have it like grade off just a little bit. I think, because we don't need the rules to be big either. So we could really, oh, didn't mean to control that. We just make this. I feel like there's a better way to do that. I feel like there's a better way to do this. Maybe add a rectangle box to it, probably. Maybe. Need to figure it out. Because this part I'm trying to make it just look nice to where people can understand what the actual point of it is. Because you want it to where it looks nice, you know. So we could probably just get rid of these boxes. Where's that? Oh. Okay, we could work like that. We could work like this. No. Or I even have a better idea. I have a way better idea. Pretty much, instead of that, we could just make this box. Now, if I could get to this box, I'd be more than happy. But pretty much, what we can do is have an icon. We need an icon. Pretty much what I wanted to have is an arrow. Or I just need just a regular arrow. Or can I just do a drop down? No. For SVG icons. You can never go wrong with free SVG. Drop down. See, literally perfect. Okay, let's take this in. I'm figuring you could actually make it to where we probably don't need the actual SVG icon, just something pink. Get rid of this. Perfect. Just makes it a bit more smaller. Maybe grade it out a little bit. I think it figures something out. Oh! Actually, perfect. Now, if we ever wanted to, just come on. Pretty much, we just give you like a brief description of whatever you need, but all right, let's. We could actually. What the heck did I just do? What the? Oh, that's just. Oops. Vector, and then I do not need. See, group them both together. Perfect. We probably could just rename this to like rule box. Duplicate this. How can I duplicate this box? I literally just did it the other day. Oh. I'm stupid. Oops. Alright. What are the basic rules? I could probably look for the, a better thing to look at actually would be if you were to report somebody. I think that would be, pretty legit. Let's see. Like this, for example. I'm just looking through a comment right now that's that's looking for vibes. So see, it gives me it really works like as it should. That's like perfect. I think is it this one? Yes. Ooh, okay. There we go. Yeah. Oh, no way. Guys, I'm like a best friend. Oh, shoot. That's crazy. Wait a minute. Sorry, guys, but I just became a best friend for a. Oh shoot! I spelled it wrong. Oops. Did I spell it wrong? I did. There. Ah. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Come on, extend it. Yeah. All right. There we go. I just became a best friend for one of the staff on Lapse. Dude. Yeah, I pretty much like I know most of them. That's the funny part. But we continue. We continue. I could talk about it more later. It's so okay. So I'm guessing it's pretty short, so I could just let them know. Pretty much. With the best friend feature on Lapse, you could become somebody's best friend. So you have number one, number two, number three, and pretty much. Can I raise my mic up a little bit more? And pretty much, I'm interacting with one of their staff. So his name is Andre. Pretty chill dude. I like him. And I interact with them like a lot. So I interact with him, and weirdly enough, I became his second best friend, and then his first best friend is another of their staff. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to give off names, but I don't want to be like that. But anyway, we continue. No hater harassment. Don't be violent. I spent violet. That's hilarious. Oh, I need to go back to the thing. I need to go back to one of those spam comments, which are hecka annoying, but yet perfect. I guess we could just use a random comment. Never mind. I don't want to be that person. If I'm gonna be that person, at least I'm gonna do it to a person that's actually begging for stuff, which nobody likes. Nobody likes, including me. If you beg for vibes, respectfully, get out. Okay, don't be violent. I guess we could just have ChatGPT and just remake it to where I could actually put it as lists. Oops. Make these report reasons into rule lists. Violence or abusive. There we go. It's really cool how you could have so many choices to report people. That's pretty cool. Not a lot of companies actually have that, where you could actually like have those choices. Which, boy, man, I just got a new keyboard. I can barely spell, and I see like harassment. Like I can't. Okay, so I guess we could basically base it off of that. Oh, see, like my brain doesn't work, and I just had coffee like almost 20 minutes ago. See, like, content, I think it's what it was. Yeah. See, I can't spell. Content. So we just center this. And if I can rename this, that'll be great. Where? Am I tweaking? Wait. Where did I get number one from? See, like, I have to, like, organize everything. What? Where did I get number one from? I am legit so confused. Text. Am I tweaking? Where did I, what? Wait, where did I get number one from? I let rectangle save. What? Wait, I'm legit so confused. Oh. That was pretty easy. Y'all don't mind me suffering for like a couple minutes. I'm like, I have a profession, but yeah. Might as well copy all this. Why not? Why not? Gotta center the center. I think I make these a bit more smaller. Not gonna lie. I could just make this a bit more smaller, like something to make them look neater. You know, 11s. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, that is perfect. It gives up like that neatness to it, but also like chef's kiss, man. Amazing. I've been streaming for 45 minutes. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, hold up. I gotta actually kind of see like if people. Okay, so let's see. So yeah, I was pretty much just chatting with one of the testers, and pretty much they like it, which is really good thing. Really good thing. So, yeah, something like this. Yeah, I've been just making like mock-ups for them. It's pretty fun if you ask me. But we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna make some more rules. There we go. Now we continue with no hate, harassment, or bullying. Number three. What if we extend this out just a little bit? I feel like we could probably just put no hate, harassment. I think like harassing and bullying are the same, unless I'm just really stupid. There we go. Just to like make it like just something simple, you know. Somewhere it could fit inside of the box, but also I don't know. Is there another word for encouragement? Or that sounds bad out of context, by the way. All right. Let's do that again. Round 2. I think. Oops. I don't have anything to put my legs at. Okay, let's continue. So, Lapse community rules. Okay. So, let's see what we can make. So, I guess we're just gonna do it, but I think we have to. I guess we could do no promoting the harm, I guess. Realistically, I just don't want to get banned off of YouTube while I'm streaming, because I could probably do something like this, you know. And promoting neutral formal. Yeah, I think we can do that. No. There we go. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. I think there's probably a better way to make it like, you know what? I have an idea. I have an idea. But we're gonna finish up real quick. I think we only have like one more. Not like, see, it's perfect. Oh, wait. No, I feel like they're not spaced out as it should. 23. There we go, 23. Come on. Okay, I need it to where it's like, there we go. Okay, there we go. At least just to make him like spaced out. My OCD will never let me live it down to where I could have Rule 56. No spam or spam posts. Posts? Comments? I don't know, to be honest. Okay. I think. Okay, yeah. I actually have an idea for that. What am I gonna do? Like a check. Oh, look that. Perfect. Enabled, hovered. Oh my gosh, it's like the best thing ever. Oh my gosh. Can I do like gray? What? Come on, give me. Wait, can I make it where it's not? Oh, it's not selected. Wait, what is? I do not. I think, yeah, it has to be enabled. Wait, why does it? Come on, give me. I need colors. Yeah, how do I do this? I don't know. Unselected intermediate. No. Error. Error. Selected. Okay, what we need. How do we use check marks? How do we use check marks? I feel like there's a better way to do this. I can make it just probably use like one of these rectangle boxes. You know what? Let's be nice and add a. let's add an X to it to get. I guess if you don't want to comment, then I guess X. No, X. See, simple guys. It's very simple. Simply put it in. Just get rid of this. You just get rid of this. See, perfect. Just take it out. Go over here. And maybe just sure. Fill. Wait, why is it? Oh. Huh. So we could just have it like towards like simple like that. Dude, this is actually really cool. Hold up. This is actually hecka cool. What the heck? Oh man, that's sick. Okay, I guess we could make it off to where. Man, I need to figure like another. I need to figure like something I could use. Oh, that's fine. Perfect. Okay. Adding a check mark to make sure Okay. Oh, see, like, it makes it sound really nice. Because... okay, can I, like, make this a bit more smaller? Because... oh my, this is perfect. Oh. I mean, man, I could probably add a box. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? I feel like this is gonna look better if it is. Okay, we could add a... oh my gosh, give me some corners. What in the world? Why? What? Wait. Okay. Can I do like... can I do it like... perfect. We just take this, maybe put it in the middle. That's really perfect. What the heck? Maybe just make it a bit more neater. I feel like there's a better way to... there's a better way to do this. Alright. Okay, let's see. Pretty much any further info that I have on here, I could probably just put it like... they can make it into a drop-down box, I guess. Just have it to where... you could include further info. I guess we'll make something like that. Why not? Okay, I guess we could just make this into a group and rename this. And rules pop-up v1. There we go. See? Perfect. Okay. Now, can we just duplicate this? Dink. Okay. Oh, I mean, I need to make it like a prototype just to give it like an idea. Okay, now we just go over here. Checkbox selected. Maybe make it orange. I think we should make it orange. No, what the heck? We need this. Oh my gosh. No way, Jose. Something to give like a... if you know, you know. Okay. I guess we can make this into a frame. But make this to where it's just pink. What? Okay, that's good. Duplicate it. Okay, I guess we gotta redo this one for the same. This is just an idea so I could prototype this because I kind of want to give it off like a little demo, if you know what I mean. I just gotta make sure that it's like cut off. Ooh, ouch, ouch, ouch. I just got a bad edge to my leg. Wait, what? I need the frame. I need the frame. Come on. Wait. I don't want it to cut anything off. Can I make it to where it's just... oh, shoot. I mean... oh, no. I don't... maybe just apply corner radius. Okay, now what we need is to make this into a frame selection. Can I make this? Oh, sweet. Okay, we can just make this into frame. Let's try doing instant. Why not? Let's. So if we... oh, that's sick. Okay. Oh, wait. That could be sick. That could, oh my gosh, I'm so smart. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold up. I'm cooking something. Oh my gosh. Okay, we can remove this. Okay, I guess we could just. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. Wait. Can I just. Gradient, you pop up. I guess we just make this just a bit more lower. Okay, where's the gradient? I need the gradient. Where's the gradient? I need to load this up. Okay, we could just fully just do that. How about this? Maybe have like a greenish color, probably. What do they use? I need to find the thing. Okay, hold up. Oh, it's perfect. See, I already have it right here made. See, I like the aesthetic colors they use, but what in the... See, we just copy and paste, and should be fine. And we just do start commenting. It's not the best. It's not the best, but we can make it work. Is this not a frame itself? What? Oh, I need another frame. Guys, we need another frame. No. Okay, we gotta redo the frame. Where is the what? Where did the thing go? Oh my jeez Louise. Oh, see, perfect. We just do this, close it out, give it a corner radius, just so it looks nicer. I think there's a better way to do this. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. It's just a demo. On click. I think there's a better way to... You wanna give me my... Okay. Let's try this again. Oh my... Oh. Wait. What did I do? Oops. What did I... Uh-oh. Wait, how many... I have... Wait, what? I have... Okay, yes, please. Can I start from this? Please? Wait a minute. Why does it give off that? Okay. I think I might just make it to where it's just dissolve. Let's try that again. Restart. Okay. I think I need to probably get rid of this. Oh man, can I like not? Okay, I'm buying these too. Can I get rid of this frame 3? Oh. Okay, there we go. Why is the gradients gradiating? Why? Okay, hold up. We need to FX. I don't think it should have. Okay. Oh, we need to have a. Actually, what we can do is just take these, move to the side. Okay, now we just take this, Control-C, Control-V, move us onto this side, but we could have to where it's just all these are hidden. Maybe just hide all these probably. This is gonna be a little bit of a. Gonna just press. I probably need to get rid of the. Okay, there we go. That's what we need. Okay, we could actually get rid of read literals because we don't need. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold up. Where are my literals? I need to get rid of my literals. Oh. That was extremely unprofessional. So we could actually just have good old Haley come over here, reply, and then where's the? There we go. Group them. Just put them all over here. And for the comments, we could have it. Where would it say comments? Where comments? Oh, say something. So annoying. Okay. And have this just all the way like. Actually, hold up. We could just have this. What? Where is the? Have this just. What the? Oh. I am so confused. Where's the arrow? Can I just slow it down? There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, we need to. Okay, can we find where the read? Just. Read the rules. No. Oh man. Okay, I guess we could just go from there. Rules pop up. Where? No. Okay. Next frame. This, and this. Okay, we might have to just fix the avatar for him probably. Because might as well. There we go. Okay. Now we need. Just group them together. Okay. Now we do the same thing again. Group. Where did? Hold up. I gotta find the other one. Did I not group this one together? I did. Oh, so it's this one that I didn't. All right. Think group and just put them all the way up. There we go. All right. Look at that. Just move this over here. Now, hold up. I want to see if there's any. Nobody. I've been streaming for no 1 hour now. Dang it. Okay. All right. So, this is just a really rough look to it, if I'm being honest. Because, I mean, it's not bad. Okay. Okay. Realistically, I think it looks really fire. But at this point, we could really just send it over to the. We could just send it over to the feature suggestion and have it as that, because I think that's really cool to have. So, respectfully though, I think this looks legit. Gotta get other people's opinion. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna post it. I'm just gonna like take a couple photos of it. Really? Just post it and see what people will think. That looks pretty legit. I'm just looking through the I'm looking through the thing right now. Just don't want to mute myself accidentally. Okay. Yeah. Really? I think it looks really cool. I think maybe we'll just take like another photo. Let's see, how do they look? 1 to 3. I need something that looks visible. I think this looks fine. There we go. Sweet beans. All right. Now we're gonna just export this and really just send it over. Ooh. Export 5 layers. Yup. We're gonna just. Really, we're just gonna. Oh, my bag. Wait. Oh no. Wait, did I not add this? Oh, oops. Just put this in. There we go. And now we do the same thing over again. There we go. That's why I said 5. All right, sweet. Okay, so we have this. We have for this, like, I don't know if I'm gonna add a place where you could just read the rules, because I think this to implement this will look really, really sick. So, yeah, honestly, I think that would be sick. Because people really don't see the rules. You know how you read the TOS and the private policy, but you never read them. Like when you have to when you're updating your phone, for example, you have just a bunch of text that you gotta read. Come on. But with this, you have to read it, and if you do, you acknowledge that hey, I read the rules, and if I break them, there's consequences. Oh, my back. My back. Oh man, I'm turning old. I'm about to be an unk. like a couple months. But yeah, that's pretty much the idea. So I think we could just rename these. Frame one. I need hold up. I need to find the actual. I'm just gonna like label all these, if I'm being honest. I think this is part 4 pop up. Then we have part 3 pop up. Oopsie daisies. Oh my gosh, I cannot type. And this will be pop up 2. Pop up 2. Wait. Part 2 pop up. Perfect. Now, literally what we just do, we just send it over to them. Why is part 4? Why does it have so much storage and it's the smallest one out of them all? Like, get a load of this. Okay. Well, I think I could just change the stream name. Honestly, I could just change the stream name into like something that will grab people's attention, especially if they use Lapse. So, all right. But I think that'll be it for today, realistically speaking, because honestly, I thought this was gonna be a short stream because nobody joined. But honestly, I really enjoyed making this by myself. I'm not gonna lie. So, yes. But yeah, pretty much that's just the way it's gonna go. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, I guess we're gonna end it off here. So thank y'all for joining, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.